My name's Carmen. I work for the Institute for Safety, Compensation and Recovery Research, and I work on a project called the Vicarious Trauma Prevention and Awareness Toolkit. So trauma can take many forms, so kind of physical or psychological abuse, or then threats to life or severe injury. It can also be observing that happening to other people. It doesn't have to be directly to yourself. And then the response varies from individual to individual, but it results usually in overwhelming the individual's capacity to cope and impacts physical and emotional well-being in some way for everyone. So direct trauma occurs when you actually experience a traumatic event. Vicarious trauma, on the other hand, is more indirect, so it more involves being exposed to details or information regarding a traumatic event. So it could be reading about or seeing pictures or even discussing details of another person's trauma experience, and that in turn can start affecting the person who is engaging in this trauma material. Vicarious trauma is essentially an accumulation of these stories over time, and it builds up in someone and they slowly see more and more symptoms. The symptoms can be on a bit of a continuum. So you can experience some symptoms and they could get worse, or someone might experience some symptoms at the end of the scale quite early on. But the idea is that it builds up subtly and slowly over time. We know that vicarious trauma is a natural human reaction to engaging with trauma material. We also know it's a predictable response. This makes vicarious trauma a known risk for organisations and their employees. It also presents an opportunity for organisations to proactively prevent vicarious trauma.